Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download picture from Instagram on PC One Profile. So it's very easy. All you have to do is to look for that specific profile that you wanted to download, the picture. So let's just say this one right here. I wanted to download his or her profile. So what I'm going to do now is I have to click this three dots. Okay, so this is the profile picture and we wanted to download this one since we cannot download this if you right click and save us. So what you're going to do is you have to tap this three dots and then tap share or share to. And then here you will see copy link and that is below QR code. Tap this one. And then after that, you just have to open any web browser or another tab here. And then you have to type download Instagram profile. Then you will see different links and website right here. But of course, you have to choose the legit one. So for example, I want to tap this save Insta free. So if I'm going to tap this one, then what I'm going to do is to paste the URL or the link here. So right click paste or control V and then tap view. Wait for a couple of seconds and then you have to scroll down and you will see the result. So this is what it looks like. And what you're going to do is to click this download image. Now wait for a couple of seconds and you will see the result down here. Okay, and what you're going to do is to simply download this one. Okay, so download image. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.